Some days living in the city feels exciting. That golden sun hits just right. People are out shopping, popping out for coffee, and I really enjoy that energy. And then there's old Aberdeen, the cobbled streets, the city's history from old buildings to the little shops. Beautiful buildings like St Machar's Cathedral, which is nearly 900 years old and free to visit, so you totally should. Other days, it feels different, a little quieter, a little lonelier, the same streets, the same buildings, but they don't feel the same. Just feels colder. The buildings don't sparkle like they do in the sun and the rain seems to soak into everything. But I'm starting to wonder if city life is really what I want anymore. Maybe it's not the city that's changed, maybe it's just me. Maybe it's normal to feel torn between the two. I don't know. The grass is always greener, right? I really used to love being caught up in the rush, but now I'm kind of craving something slower, something a little bit more simple. Anyway, do you think William Wallace's arm really is within the walls?